I am me, Ruby Chopper, and I am a f***ing badass.
What in life triggered this badass side of you?
When I was 6 years old, the town bully, Woodsy, pushed me off my tricycle, pulled up my skirt, and took my popsicle right out of my hands when I was sucking on it. After that, I swore no bully would ever treat a weak person like that again.
So is that where the motorcycle fits in?
Yeah. When he pushed me off of my tricycle, I remember gripping on so tight to those metal handles they became part of my body. And as you can see, I've graduated to this. I got a name for her. Her name is Wood Chipper, after that town bully Woodsy.
Your line of work is very dangerous. Are you ever concerned that today may be your last day?
Are you joking with that question? Do you know who you're dealing with? There isn't a human alive that can kill my engine. I'm Ruby Chopper. Any more questions like that and I fly.
So most of the badasses that I've interviewed seem to have a signature shot that they're very proud of.
Yeah, all my best shots are on the wood chipper. See, I get going about 80 miles an hour. I lean slightly over to the left, and I pop off about 50 shots.
So why 50 shots?
Why not?
So Ruby Chopper, do you have a male companion?
In my line of work, there's no room for romance. I have what I need right here.
So what is next for Miss Ruby Chopper?
Cross my path and you'll find out. I have a little saying I like to use before I go on a hunt. It goes a little something like this. There's nothing more that I can't stand than a bully. All that really means is that you're a beware the path of my vengeance. All it will leave you is your sentence. And I can guarantee you that means death. I am me, Ruby Chopper, and I am a